I'm Lesley James, and this is from my creative non-fiction work in progress, which is part memoir, part fiction. This piece is currently published in Nawr magazine. 5 a.m. Talk about living the dream. I think I'm dreaming the life. Sometimes I wake up and there's a narrative running through my mind so light it makes me chuckle. And I have to check that I'm tethered, not floating. A quick walk to the loo sorts that. But mostly it's darker, the narrative, more worrying. And I feel like I killed her as surely as if I put my hands around her neck and strangled her. In those times, I feel my own death creeping, like a sneaky parent coming upstairs to try to catch you having sex with your boyfriend. I wish it were done differently, but mostly I wish she'd been a better mother. Death creeps. At 5 a.m, hot sweats and anxiety prepare us for all that demise stuff. As if a director has said action, his footsteps shuffle across the carpet after silence. This is our time. 2 breakfasts on a tray. Him and me, side by side, breathing. Every day starts like this. We set the tone for how we love each other. We poke fun at the Today programme. He dresses for work, and I watch him like television.